Flashcards can be a very boring but useful tool in the classroom. Children would simply just sit in pairs or groups, show a card and try and work out the answers as fast as they can. Although something quick and easy to be used in the classroom, I really wanted to try and develop something better. That would stimulate engagement in my classroom and encourage my children to want to learn math. So I came up with a math in motion concept game. Students can be divided into two groups or just as one whole group. Answer a math question. If they get it correct, they then have to pick a physical card, and either that one student can do it or the entire group can then act out the action on the cards. It makes children use their imagination and have fun. I took my whole class outside and we did this on the playground. This was actually 2 grade levels. The children answered the question, one was picked, and then they all had to act out. The card that was pulled was swim around the area 1 time, so they all had to go off. This makes children get out of their seats and want to learn. It can be used to test all math facts and helps to actually build on those basic skills that many children today seem to just lack. Once they've actually mastered these skills using traditional methods, perhaps we could call them, and then actually doing a physical activity, we can then move into technology. This is a game called Reflex, which encourages children to master their facts and move fast and recall the answers as fast as they can. They would get placed in a certain competition. They are awarded prizes. They then can look at the facts that they physically have learnt, the fact families that they have learnt, and it will tell them how many tokens they've got. These tokens can then be used either in the shop or to buy a new game. The idea is they would scroll through, find a game they can afford, or go and visit the store where they can buy clothes for their avatar. Every game is introduced by a new graphic character, very engaging. Then they begin their game again. They are given target numbers to use, they are given facts to use. Then they can move on and they would actually answer a picture puzzle. Answering the question right will reveal the picture, and then they would then move on to the next game after earning yet some more tokens. Technology obviously enhances their learning. Children today love technology, but it's colourful, engaging and motivating to learn. All said and done, technology really is a tool for our century and for our children to learn at school.